Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to locate your activity log on the Facebook app. So if you're on iOS or Android, if you want to locate that, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right corner. And you want to go down and select where it says Settings and Privacy. Underneath Menu, select Settings, and then scroll down again. Underneath where it says Your Activity, select Activity Log, and this will show you your activity history if you select the Activity button here. It'll show you all of your search results, who you followed, pages you visited, and so forth. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And if you want to delete your search history, you can select the little trash bin icon up there, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.